Hello guys, Vanakkam. Welcome back to your very own channel, Vastranand, where we show you ethnic, party wear, office wear, each and every variety of sari. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some ethnic traditional sari. As you guys can see, the one that I am wearing is going to be this red color sari, which is soft silk pattu. Look at the pallu. Let me quickly show the details on the sari that I'm wearing, and after that I'm going to show you a few colors that we have in this particular catalog. Okay, so this is going to be the pallu. Talking about the zari weaving, it is going to be Sona Chandni weaving, both silver and gold weaving throughout the sari. Apart from that, you're going to find checks weaving as well. The one that you guys can see over here. This is going to be checks on entire sari. Now, let us quickly move on to other color options that we have, in which I'll be showing you the blouse piece as well. So this is this nice emerald green color over here. Green with a hint of red border as well. Apart from that, silver and gold, two types of zaris. Let's open this up. Good quality of silk. Apart from that, extremely comfortable to be worn at weddings, receptions, or any of your traditional parties. Apart from that, this catalog, or be it any catalog of Vastranand, is going to be completely affordable for all our viewers. So this is the pallu. Look at the intricate detailing, guys. Use of two-tone zaris over here, the tassels at the end of the pallu. Moving on a bit ahead, then you are going to see the checks over here. Entire sari from the tip, from the blouse to the pallu, is going to be completely filled with details. Okay. Now let me take you to the blouse directly. This is going to be the blouse. So this blouse section, as you guys can see, it is going to be in weaving as well. Moving on to the next color option that we're having. So one is green, one is red. Another color that we're having is going to be purple. So this is the purple color that we have over here. Let's open this up. Okay. So here it is. Let me open the pallu entirely for you. I love all the four colors. The last color that I'm going to show you is going to be a shade of pink. So in this particular catalog, we've, primarily we have stuck to more of shubh colors, the darker, the brighter colors that people generally prefer when it comes to wedding, when it comes to reception. So this is the look. I love how they have played with the checks as well. Inside the checks also, you're going to find detailings of elephants, of birds coming a bit closer so you guys can see this. Okay. And now to the blouse. Here's going to be the blouse, again in zari weaving. Now, the last, which is the fourth color that we have in this particular sari, is going to be this pink shade along with a bit of green as well. Okay, let's open this up. Also, guys, to all the viewers, maybe if at all you're seeing this video right now from overseas, you guys can also place order, because we not only ship nationally but we also ship internationally, and it takes only 24 hours for a product to get shipped, and apart from that it will reach up to you in 2 to 3 business days. Okay, so this is this very, very lovely eye-catching pallu with very, very detailed work. This is the whole look. And now the blouse for this one. Similar blouse pattern. Okay, so now that you've loved the sarees, I'm sure how to place orders. So for placing orders, it is very, very simple. Right now on the screen, you guys must be seeing a contact number. You can call us through that number. Apart from that, we have our application, which is Vastranand. Works for both iOS and Android. So quickly go and download that. Not just download, start your shopping. Till then, this is me, Rachna, and till then, this is Vastranand. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.